March nili sangni somni paruk ani Israel lampang chuanin Iran jet fighter an ka thak saka Israeli jet fighter mangvekin Iran jet fighter hi an kap thaniin ta hianin report ania ti chuanin Iran hianin Strait of Hormuz ti kha kaltang tu ma aphal sak to lova Chinese long ti lo chu news pakhatan report dan chuan mo ti chuanin hey Sri Lanka hianin abul hnaya US lampang te hianin Iran long hi an lo be ni oma ta chuanin Iran chuanin tranpuina an dil Sri Lanka lampang hian lo wa tranpui ani oma heng te hemi news a hianin kan riak ma in he kan en ho loka
St Anthony's Higher Secondary School chuan kum sangni somni paruka tanga sangni somni pasari academic sessionatan class 9 atanga class 12 arts admission kan hongle ta e kan zirlai te talent ho chuanan co-curricular activities strong school sport field trip picnic excursion teachers day le adang te ro pui taka man pui thinan ni experienced teacher ten pathian thune na no pangan tirna le an kai hroina skula hian admission rontivero le
Yes, St Anthony's Higher Secondary School hey number te po entar lang vek ani admission in lo ti venge ngei don yo so ni mi then khathian in meli ti lang te de ro antia kalang ve du lom tin lien de win nge mon le ole to so ni kan react chanang let's go play ro
the globe first up as always the headlines. An Israeli Air Force F-35-in fighter jet shoots down a Russian-made Iranian Yak-130 jet in air to
Russian-made Iranian jet atia omje chu Iran jet fighter chu ani amaro chu asiam chuak tu te chu Russia ti na ani Israel F-35 hi America tanga an leini om takani Israel lampang te po hian an mani siam chua chu ni melo
combat over Tehran, which marks the first ever downing of a manned aircraft by an F-35.
Okay, Tehran khopui chunga he thil hi athleng ani he thil hi F-35 ina tun indo na bi ka na voi khat na atan jet fighter in mel ma te jet fighter aka thak sakna hi record ani oh Okay, Iran rushes to appoint Mueller. Tuna hizonin Iran ramahanin Khamenei athi to sia chuanin Khamenei thak tu tur kha afapa kha anruat felta in ka ria hemi bi ka hi chuan mo chuanin Donald Trump hianin thil pakhata soyani an interview na pakhat voina ka ena chuanin Donald Trump chuanin tuna chuanin Iran te hianin an indolong tamjok te hi Iran te hi an indolong tamjok te hi kang ka chiat sak vek to a an missile ron ka chuana angchi te po atamjok a hi chu kan ti chiat sak to ani tin an sipai te po tam da kan thi to an ho tu lu tam tak an sipai ho tu an sipai officer poimo tak tak an thi de vek to a tu da tak hi chuanin Iran hianin ti theivak hi an nei to lo ani tin Trump chuan a soya amai ro chu Iran hi tlom an tum mel lo khop maya voim phi chu conspiracy theory hatiang chi vel ha ka en kwal na sa a ka ngai to mai maya tu na hianin video le kan react tur hi Iran lampang hianin Strait of Hormuz hi a khar to ani Chinese long te chia kaltang an phal sak don ani ti news hi om le ngala hi a om zia chuanin khovel pumpuya oil supply na kha engkim a khai lak vek to don ani hi US hianin an lo hriat lok wang emoni chu o Venezuela an president an man saka Venezuela ram hi tuna chuan US thu hnuaya a oma chuan Venezuela hi kan hriat thei dan dur chuanin khovela oil reserve tam na ber ramania khami barrel kan ti angchi oil an dan angchi kha 300 billion chuang an nei ni in ka soi so lo ani chuan an nei ni in news se chuanin an report ani mo han ngai to maula US in Venezuela khovela oil reserve nga ber a control te ya chumi nuwa Middle East ti hengin ava beita a Iran chuan in rinlok ange in Strait of Hormuz akhar veka khovel pumpuya oil supply engkim kha a buai vekani tuna hian mo to ta chuanin India hi chuanin kan la tuar ri lawa chan chu India te chuanin an soidan changa sarkar soidan chuanin tuna hi chuanin ni somhni panga changa ni somthum vel engkim reserve kan nei tha chu wan chuanin engma hlau thon tur om lo ti in hetiang thil hi an soyani chu conspiracy theory oveda ka en zara de hanin til de khanan riek bel pa thaya en zelang
Israel launched fresh
an entry zun pui rem
Strikes on Iran in Lebanon as Tehran's Revolutionary Guards launched more than 40 missiles at Israeli and US-linked targets and sealed off one of the world's most vital shipping routes for energy. Here's a look at what's the latest in the war in West Asia. Now, Iran's military...
Tu da hianin Iran sipai te chuanin Iran sipai te chuanin missile mangin Israel hi an bei na sa ani.
Military has said just that they will still have significant capacity to fire missiles at Israel. The latest remark comes hours after US President Donald Trump. He hailed the success of American operations in diminishing Iran's missile and drone capabilities.
Donald Trump chuanin Iran ina missile te drone te aka chho theina kha nasadakin kan ti chiat sak towa amai ro chu hei chu kan pom ve ngai Iran hianin missile te drone te hi tamtak alakap chok thei thawani ti in Israel lampang te po hi anla in ring na sakhop mai ani ti chuanin mi pakhat soidana chuanin tiang hian indo na hi akal chhawanga achak jok tur hi chu tuna hi chuanin soilok thei ri ani lo anti ni tat mai ra mi tam tak chuanin US te hianin le Israel tang ko penin hne na an changvat tura an ngaya amai ro chu hei hi mi than khat ngai dan ani ve ho lo eng po ni se kha chu tunge chakang tunge chaklawang te kha chu eng po ni ta se Middle East buaya oil supply te po to na hen na khailak chho chan do ni na langa.
Missiles launched from Iran early Wednesday triggered air raid sirens across large parts of Israel. Military said it was operating to intercept the threat and ordered citizens to seek shelter in Jerusalem, Tel Aviv and other areas across the country.
Tu da hianin Israel po hianin bei antok na sa ve thawani news lampang hianin anron soi overlem lawa so dilutukin soi polan om thawa Iran an bei na hi news lam tak hianin an report na sa zo kani amaro chu Iran hianin Israel po hi abe ve na sa angreng khop maya nikum manin ti buai emoni kha o khata khanin news lam tak chuanin Israelin bei atok vaklo Israel chuanin an Iron Dome te khang te khanin alo intercept zel Iran missile te khatiang khanin report ania amaro chu heta mithen kha chuanin Israel khanin bei atok na sa Iran khanin an missile mang khan Israel te infrastructure tamtak kha ati chiat sak na sat ati chiat na sat sak ema azawaya a poisa angzong phei chuanin 50 billion chuang aniang ti in report omani amaro chu hetiang thil hi chu mainstream media hi chuanin kan muwak lowa achan chu mainstream media tak hi chuanin US le Israel te hianin media tamtak hi chu an control ve deu in alanga amaro chu Iran chan tak pro Iran kan ti ang chi media channel te po kha om thawani khang ero kha chuanin bias le lu tu khanin Iran chan thazok deu ang khanin an chuwa vele thunga kha kha chu anile chuang silowa chuwa chuanin reactor te po hi film khuri angai thin khop mai le tu da chuanin Sri Lanka lampang hianin Iran long atang hianin an sipai te lo wa chan chuak ani.
We have some breaking news coming in. Sri Lanka says that it has rescued over 30 critically wounded sailors from an Iranian ship.
32 critically wounded sailors. Liam na tak antuarani. He in the longa sailors om tehian mo hansipay om tehian.
Foreign Minister Vijay Tahiraj said that the 32 sailors were aboard the Iranian frigate Iris-Stela, which sank on Wednesday just outside the island's territorial waters. No information was immediately available on the cause of the explosion that sank the vessel. This is the latest we're getting from Sri Lanka. It says that it has rescued over 30 critically wounded sailors from an Iranian ship.
Heta hianin he Iran-in dolong hi engwanga hatianga chia a pilta nge tunge kap khatiang chi vel kha engma news tak chu alom lawa confirm thei alani lawa amaro chu mi zong rindana chuanin Iran-in dolong heti apua achia achiat miu chuan USMO Israel te thilti aniang ti kha mitam tak ngai dan ania poimo bera chuanin ti han lo puak ve top mai ni Sri Lanka bula hian mo chuan heta mi som sari vel kha an thianga report ni in ka hria pakhata ka ena kha news danga ka ena khan ti chuanin heta hianin mi som thum pahni vel heti hianin liam na tak tuar te hi an chan chuak ani ti chuan hein do na hi chu te hianin akal chho zel don ni in alanga nakida video dang kan react le don ya tu tan chuanin hebi hi ni phot mai te se video la in hule theu don ya